Have you seen these film frames? They're very popular these days because you can use them in almost every situation. I'll show you how to create your own inside Adobe Premiere Pro. And no, we're not going to use pre-renders or PNG overlays. To do that, I'll be using Spotlight FX, a free plugin for Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects. Head over to Frames and choose any preset you want. You can choose from predefined camera letterboxes or create your own with the modular one. Our frame has been applied. Let's play around with the settings. You can change the amount or invert the whole frame so it looks like an old VHS border. Or you can change the color and completely change the style of it. Now, let's delete this frame and see what else we've got here. I think these frames look familiar to you because they're often used in Netflix true crime documentaries. Let's import this one. You can change each side individually with just a simple sliders. Or you can offset the whole frame whenever you want with the position control. Or you can completely change the visual with roundness, shadows, and even a fisheye effect to simulate that old TV screen. It was really fun. Now imagine you have more than 1,300 items like this. You can create very unique and complex scenes with just a few clicks. Don't hesitate and download Spotlight FX for free. We can't wait to see what you create.